Another rainy day here in Thailand, so we're taking this adventure indoors. You guys already know that we've fallen hard for Thai food. So today, Wannabe Travelers presents a culinary experience by
chili, two roasted peanut and roasted coconut and lamb with the skin, shallot and ginger.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. After you have it ready, you close like this, all in one in your mouth. Okay? If you don't like the taste, just spit it out.
Wait, now I'm afraid. Here, I'll feed it to you. Good?
That's so good.
Okay.
Ashley? Yeah. Diego.
So the cool thing about this is that everyone gets to choose what they make. If you haven't figured it out by now, we're making pad thai. And it's just one of the 2 menu items we'll be making today.
All the ingredients the same is the pad kaprao and pad thai with the similar ingredient.
How do you do that so fast?
Yeah.
I don't trust myself.
If you don't like, don't have to put. If you like, put.
Let's try it. I did not know tofu was in this dish. Are the show, the noodles.
Hone, the chef, is giving instructions really quick. That's something I find really interesting about all of this is, like we said, everyone has their own dish to make. There is about 6 couples here. And Pone is just going in and out with everyone. At first I thought that was going to be a little hectic, but he's just handling it so well. He's being so awesome and so sweet to everybody. This is kind of a blast.
So while you were gone, we were just informed that it takes 1 hour to make the pad thai sauce.
No, it does not.
Yeah. So I don't know if I'm going to be making this at home. We'll order in.
Wait, can you buy this? Like, do they make the sauce?
I'm sure they do.
Okay, but if you're doing it from scratch, 1 hour.
1 hour.
Cook the noodle in the water first, at least 1 hour.
And during that hour, you're supposed to make the sauce as well.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Put more.
We're about ready to put this on the fire. We got pickled radish, tofu, garlic and shallots, bean sprouts, and chives. It's ready.
Alright guys, you ready to enjoy? Yeah!
Trade it up. We got tom yum. We're on to menu 2 and we're making masaman curry. That's the correct way to say it. So this is our 2nd season doing cooking classes, but our chef over here has over 10 years of experience cooking. So I think we're in pretty good hands.
So if you guys can't tell, I haven't really been doing any of the cooking. So what's going on for menu 2?
We're making the curry base. We got the garlic and the shallots, ginger, turmeric, and then he just said it looked like a brain. I think it's lime, but I think it's like a Thai lime situation. We're gonna mix it all together in our mocha. We've just been informed that it's called a mortar.
And tell me I was going to be getting a workout with this cooking class.
I think it looks just like the market curry. Masaman curry. We got potatoes, onions, chicken, peanuts. I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, looking good. 1 teaspoon of palm sugar. Now it's perfect.
No way. Let me taste.
That's good.
You did a good job. So here goes our first bite.
We could have gone up with the spices.
Told you. Could have been spicier, but still so damn good.
So good.
What a fitting end to this experience.
Sticky rice?
Yeah. So the first time we tried this in Bangkok, Ashlyn
I did not like it. It was really warm.
So let's see if you like it this time.
I think I will. It looks fresh. Got our sticky rice and our heaven sauce. Too much. Oh god.
You excited?
I am. I'm nervous.
All right, you take your first bite.
It is better.
Yeah, you still don't like it.
I don't know. It's definitely better though.
She doesn't like it, but it's okay because I love it. Thank you for the cooking class.
Yeah, thank you.
See you later, wannabes.
Wannabes.
Bye guys, have a good one. Bye guys.